Hey y'all, what's up? This is Rosa. Excuse my hearing. Um, I just got in the house. Went to go check the mailbox. But y'all saw my hair earlier when I was live, so it is what it is. I've seen a lot of people who be having their hair looking a mess like me. So don't judge me, don't come for me. We was about to be doing a unboxing video. I had to make sure all my stuff was in there first before, you know what I'm saying, I get on the camera and see, but it was. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing a unboxing from Amazon. Y'all see it? Amazon boxing. See? I got an Amazon boxing. I already opened that because I wanted to make sure I got it. Matter of fact, I got two packages. So they basically, I was looking for 4 items, so they just put everything all in one. Oh, I feel them. So, Amazon, yay. Thumbnail. Ah. Okay, so we're going to see what's in this one. So, let me sit y'all down. Let me move this out the way. So, I just went to the mailbox. Y'all see Donovan? So, let's open this first box. So, this is what I really needed, you guys. Say hi to the folks. You just coming in. This all in my video. So, yeah, I'll check my phone. And I was like, oh, let me go check the mailbox. So I went outside not too long ago and walked out there. And they said they put a picture up. Oh, and they'll let you know when you get a package because they'll put a picture. They'll see your picture through your email and say it's on the porch. We left it on the porch. So that's what they did to me. So this is what I needed. It's a blood pressure cuff. It check your blood pressure. So I got this for me and my nephew. We could both share it or whatever. So I mainly bought it for me because I needed one. My doctor said, you need to have your blood pressure cuff at home. So I finally got me one. It's electronic blood pressure. So let's open it up. And thank y'all for coming into my live stream on StreamYard. So your girl gonna be doing StreamYard. So yeah, I was happy about that. And my dad came and got his pad. He was excited. I think I could have did better on the pad because it seemed a little burnt. So we just opened up the blood pressure cup. They put it in box. They give you, it say get it down. They give you a little scratch out thing or whatever in the thing. I don't know what that's about. And then they give you instructions how to, and I believe I paid $14.99. I think. And then they come in here. It says QC pass remove first time using. It's a little sticker. So yeah, this how it come on. This how it look. It come in here in a little plastic thing, so you won't lose it. And it got a set, MEM on and off button. Yeah, it's pretty cool. See my O, and then you put it on like this. If I could fit my fat ass arm on you. And hold on. Cup it on your wrist. Put it on like that. And we gonna turn it on. Oh, this the my dumb ass. This how you turn it on. If it come on, I think I gotta have battery. Shoot. But it come with AA battery, so I gotta get some batteries, you guys. So I'll do a video of me trying it on. This how it look again. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Put this back in there. You fold it up like that. Put it back in this box. So I just gotta get some AA batteries. So that's the first package. Put it back in my package. Get batteries for that. Next, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a review. I told y'all I was gonna get the tea. It's the Secrets of Tea, caffeine-free, organic, get pregnant peppermint tea, facility tea. And it's a heavily sweet conception. Help support fertility, support reproductive system. Delicious, hot or cold, so you can drink it hot or cold. And it's 100% natural herbs, tea, and supplements. You get 20 tea bags in here. They got the other one, you can get more, but I might go to Walmart and get it. If I like it, I'm gonna do a review on the tea. It's a blend for mind, body, and spirit. So yeah, this is the tea, you guys. Can y'all see that? This is how it look. And then it get out on the side. And then so hopefully this helps for my PCOS. So I guess I drink this when after I come off of my cycle. So I'm gonna be doing a review with you guys. I'm gonna be doing a review for you guys for this to let y'all know. So I think I'll take it now, or I'll Google it up because I've been doing research about it. So hopefully it helps. I think I'm supposed to take it after I come off my cycle, and there's 20 tea bags in here. So yeah, so you guys, you know what I'm saying, women, they got stuff for men too. So you girls and guys want to try this out, look on Amazon. I paid $11.50 for this brand, and it helps. Well, I got PCOS, so they said this one helps for PCOS. They got other brands for like the straight get pregnant, but this should help boost it, I guess you want to say. But I'll let y'all know. It's called the Secrets of Tea. So hopefully this will work, you guys. I'm gonna drink it cold. I might try it hot too, but I'm gonna drink it twice. You can use the tea bags, think twice. So I will let y'all know on this review of the tea, of the peppermint tea. So I got that. That's one item. And next item is, they put it all in here, y'all. Next item is this hamburger big thing. I've been saying everybody use this hamburger thing like for grounded up hamburger. So I always buy hamburger, and I be like, hey, you using a spoon? And I paid $7 or $6. It was one of the two. I'll let y'all know how much I paid for everything. But I know for sure that tea cost $11.50, and that blood pressure cuff, that was like $14.99. So all together it came up to $50 and some change. So this is the hamburger grinder. I know y'all like Amazon stuff, unboxing Amazon, when people do Amazon reviews, you know. So this is a cool little tool. It comes like this. I got the plastic. They probably got the metal, but I'm trying to get that blur out of here. Okay, that should be much better. So it do like this. You just ground the hamburger, smash the hamburger up like that. I've been wanting one of these, so yes, I finally got a hamburger. What is it called? A meat chopper, smasher, and smasher. Masher and smasher, basically, meat chopper. It chop up hamburger or whatever meat you want to chop up. So this is cool little tool. So that's one. So let me see. And this gonna be the last. Let me see where I'm at. 10 something. This gonna be the last of my video. What y'all think this one is? Y'all already seen it. What y'all think this gonna be is? What do I always been wanting? Da 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 da. I finally got me a tripod. Yay! So this was, how much is this? This was $16, I think. Yes, it's a tripod. I had to put it together. Come with a little bag, you guys. Come with the, can't hold the phone to the mount. What you call this? It's the thing. Put the phone in. It come with instruction. The piece to the mount thing. And it comes with a remote control too. Okay, that's it. So it comes with the little remote control when you want to move it around. Come with a nice little bag to carry your equipment. So that's cute. Okay. So this the bag. And this is the hold up. This is a what size is this? It don't say the size. Well, it's a short one, but it's a 40-inch, I think. So this how it look. Gotta put it up, stand it up. You push it up. This how far it go. Oops. You push it up like this. I gotta put it together. So yeah, I'm gonna fix how it go. But this is it for this video, you guys. So I had to push it back to where it goes. There it goes, so I won't break it. So this is all I got from Amazon. Like I said, it came up all together. It came up to like $50 and some change with tax. So yeah, I'm excited. I got my little tripod now. So, and it comes with the little remote control. It's wireless. Hook it up to your phone. And this is the piece to go to it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This wasn't a long video, so I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing video with me. I appreciate everybody or whatever. And don't forget to hit that like. Give me some likes on this video. Let me know what you thought about the video. Give me some good feedback. And I'm out. Peace out. Happy Thursday.